Wi-Fi is connected but showing no internet connection. Wi-Fi is not working. In this video, I will show you how to solve this problem step by step. Step 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Step 2. Turn off your iPhone. Press and hold the volume down button and the side button together. And after 30 seconds, turn on your device. Step 3. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Step 4. Reset your Wi-Fi network settings. Reconnect your Wi-Fi. Hopefully, this will resolve your iPhone's Wi-Fi network issue. If it still doesn't work, contact Wi-Fi customer care. Sometimes Wi-Fi may not be available due to connectivity issues.